Alright, so we're going to change this key fob battery. This is for a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, but you know, from 2013, 2016, also use it for, you know, Ultima, Murano, Maxima, same thing. And you know, if you got to go immediately or whatever, you could take the key fob and put it on up against the start stop button on there and push the brake in, hold that, hit the start button, and the key fob, normally the computer will detect it even if it has a dead battery. So if it's like you gotta go, you gotta go. But alright, so this is pretty simple, but let's go. First thing you're gonna do right here, this little thing right here, just push that up. We'll pull this key out. Then take it like a little screwdriver, a little knife, whatever. Right there, there's two little things. You can kind of pry that open like that. That side, on that side, pry it open. Be careful with this when you put it back together because it'll fall out and it'll be a mess. So then on this side, you can see it's little knots right there you can get to pretty easy. You just pop that out. This old battery. Get that out of there. Get rid of that. Get your new one. Easy peasy. So, you know, put it in there. Make sure the word side is down, or it ain't gonna work. Then, just simple as that. Put this back on top. And like I said, watch out for that. Put that in. Make sure that's pushed down good so it don't fall out too. Back on. Simple as that. Together. Snaps on. Make sure it snaps good and down so that you get the connections in there. Put your key back in. Right like that. Like that. And you're good to go. Thanks y'all for watching.